Well, good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a good weekend. Let's get back to work, see if we can make some money today. Let's load this basket. It's a basket we've used before. And I thought I had seen earlier a few things in here that might be interesting. Yeah, this is the product I was looking at earlier. Now, the correlation isn't as strong as I would like, of course, but the RW coefficient, remember that the RW coefficient is a number multiplied by correlation. So the actual co-integration number that's used here is well over 0.9. So that's a very strong number. I tend to trust those numbers a lot, and it's over the second standard deviation down below on the downside. So let's take a look at this and see what we have. The earnings date's February 7th. Okay, so we're 3 weeks out on this one, and it's been moving down pretty strongly. So it's going to have to make a turnaround before we put it on. The reason I kind of like it is because even though we're probably not going to have time to get back to the mean, there's plenty of room in here. There's quite a room for a move, and you can see that when it moves pretty quickly. Not only does it move quickly, but it gets outside the mean, it comes back. It gets outside the mean, it comes back. Just very consistently. Very, very strong record of winners here. This thing is predicting a return to the mean in a time frame. Well, the mode would be in a time frame that works for us, but it jumps out right away out here, and you can see that most of the numbers are out here. So we have clearly a chance of getting back to the mean, but certainly less than 50-50. The other thing to look at here is the mean. The mean is declining by about 4 cents a day. That's okay, because we're actually not going to be aiming for the mean anyway. So let's go ahead and make this one as a pair. Okay, so here we are. Everything is as we were looking at a moment ago. We are going to have to wait for some type of reversal. We're very unlikely to be trading this today unless for some reason it turns around extremely strongly during the day. It's probably something we're going to trade Wednesday, more likely. But we're going to put it on our watch list here. So let's take a look at the first passage time density on this one. See what we see if we can try to get a reasonable timing on this. Okay, so let's go back here for just a moment. So the mean is minus 1.6, and there's no way we're going to get to that. Let's use minus 2 as a starting point. I'm sure we're going to adjust that, but just so we see how that looks, let's put minus 2 here. 50% of the time is the number I'd like to see, and let's just put 18 days. Give a little bit of cushion on that one. Start with this. Okay, so the mode at minus 2 is 19 days, but it takes 24 days to hit that number 50% of the time, which is as we expected, suggesting that we're only going to hit minus 2 36% of the time, okay, in the 18 days that we marked out here. So let's change this. Like I said, we have plenty of room. Let's put this at minus 5. Run it one more time. Okay, minus 5, the mode becomes 7 days. Certainly better. And 50% of the time in 12 days or less, which is also better. And let's see, we're going to try to touch here. Let's see how often that we touch minus 5. And let's see how often we're going to be below our, this is above, rather, that we're going to be above our number, this number that we're at right now. Let's run that now. Well, okay, as far as, if we jumped into it today, which we're not going to, it's suggesting we have a very good chance in 18 days of being profitable. We should be, that doesn't mean we make the number we want, but it does mean we should be profitable in that. And that we would even touch the minus 5, if that's our target, 73% of the time. those are pretty good numbers. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and make this our recommendation for today. So BWA minus 1.68 of HAR. It is going long, so we're going to buy one share of, for every share of BWA you buy, you're going to sell 1.68 shares of HAR. Good luck trading today.